What is up, guys? Jared here, back with another video. And today we're going for a ride on the Grom, the old Gromster. Look at her right there. She might look a little strange to you guys right now. I kind of did something, but before I tell you exactly what I did want to go ahead and go to like a little parking deck, you know, show you guys exactly. So it's crazy. It looks really good whenever I do what I do with it. But I'll get with you guys in just the next clip. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and ride out to the parking deck, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at what I did to the old Gromster. She's a trooper, guys. She's a trooper. She's been through a lot, but she's getting there. All right, let's get it. And guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. We're gonna get it right. Let's get it. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here's the Gromster. I actually went to go ahead and washed her up. I gave her a good rinse. She was super dirty, like crazy dirty. Here she is, guys. Lee. I know I said we're gonna go to a parking structure. Let me eat first though, because I haven't eaten nothing all day, guys. I'm gonna be going to there it is, below.Thanks. Like this Mexican restaurant. It's pretty good. I want some tacos. You already know I'll be eating them tacos like crazy. But yeah, let me go ahead and step in there. Let me get some good to eat, and then I'll hit you guys right back up when I'm at the parking structure. All right, guys, I'm back. I already went ahead and ate my tacos and everything. You know, I was super hungry. But we are at the parking deck. All right, the old Gromster is right there. Now, what do I have in store for you guys? I mean, I know. I just don't know if you know. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Because I typically post everything on Instagram first before you guys see it here on YouTube. So I'm gonna try to put my Instagram tag somewhere around here. So yeah, try to go ahead and follow me on that. Now, let's get back to the Grom. I'm gonna set you guys down, right? You ready? Ready? Yes, guys, I bagged the Grom. You see that little bag right there? All right, so I bagged it and I kind of like stretched it out 6 inches. So it's also stretched out 6 inches. But yeah, this is actually the first time that I take her out on a ride out of like my garage. So in that, there are little things that I need to tweak here and there, like this right here. Tell me how my adjuster bolt fell out while I was riding here. So I'm gonna have to stop at like Home Depot and get some of those. I did get some off the rear set because I took the bigger rear sets off. One of these right here is the right screw. I know that because I can screw from the bottom, but it's too short. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot and try to find one like this. I got this one off of this side right here. But apart from that, she's perfect. She airs up and airs down. Let me show you guys. Guys, like, I have so much fun just messing around with it. I like to turn it on.
lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score.
Alright guys, now that the Grom is bagged and stretched, you know what that means. No more wheelies, but that's okay. That's okay. I think she looks really bad. Yeah, she looks bad. Look at it. She looks crazy. Look at that thing. Oh no. No way. Leave it down in the comments below if you guys thought that I would ever bag my Grom. Leave it down in the comments below, because I never thought that I would do it until I seen it and I was like, yeah, I want to do it. So I did it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to go ahead and follow my Instagram. I'm gonna be posting mad pictures of this thing on Instagram. It's gonna be looking mad dope. I got some other stuff coming for it as well. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get this build going. Oh, Gromster's bag. Alright guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post and exactly when I'm doing something to the Grom. You guys know the vibes. Yeah guys, stay blessed.